It looks good.
All right, what's going on, everyone? We are the Braille skateboarding team, and whenever we start these videos, I always just hop right into it. And then I was thinking the other day, how often do we actually introduce ourselves to the people who are watching that have never seen our videos? And then I was looking at the channel analytics yesterday, and I realized that we see so many people every single video that have never watched our videos before. Thousands of people who have never watched our video. So the audience that may know who we are from years ago, I mean, they know who we are, but you guys have no idea who we are. So how about we all introduce ourselves?
Hi, my name is Uzi Walker. My parents named me that at a very young age.
My name is Ricky Glaza. I am from Australia, and you can find me on the top comment.
My name is Jaden Sanchez, and I'm from Hawaii. And yeah.
My name is Christopher Cody Perez, aka McNugget. I'm from San Luis Obispo County, and I like skateboarding.
Hi guys,
People know now.
my name is Glowboarder, and I'm from the San Francisco Bay Area.
My name is Nigel Jones. I'm just here, but then I'm also not here.
I'm Mowgli, and you could just message me at Twitter if you ever have problems. I'll always respond.
Problems with what?
And my name is Gabe Cruz, and I'm on a mission to save Varial flips. So we have a box here. It was purchased from Amazon, and I know how these guys just love Amazon videos so much, and they love buying stuff off Amazon, so I thought, why not surprise my guys? It was my birthday the other day, so I'm gonna surprise them with a birthday present that I'm giving to them.
Can I open this like a bank heist?
Yeah, go ahead.
This is like the Italian job.
The real bank heist is starting a bank.
We got it.
Finish your heist,
right,
bro. The
all right,
cops
let
are
me
coming. Quick!
To the top! No, we gotta do this!
Getaway code's ready, bro.
Oh!
Daniel Burglar.
Come on!
I need 3 more minutes!
Oh, going on a heist with me, dog.
Alright, we got it. We got it.
Get away. You're done. Get in the getaway car. Escape.
What the world? I should have walked to my car and got my handcuffs. By the time I got back, I think I could have handcuffed him.
Getting caught the quickest.
All right, here we are. This is the newest Amazon ramp. This right here. Oh, it looks nice. The newest.
With a V?
Check this out. You put this ramp down.
It actually looks pretty good.
Say hello to my liver.
It's pretty strong.
Hey, I don't know who this company is, but I already know that their 4-year-old son probably drew this diagram.
Whoa.
I need a screwdriver. Pronto, any color you want.
What color screwdriver you need?
What color? Whatever color you want.
Yeah.
Despacito.
I really thought it wasn't gonna slide at all.
Well, while we're building this, they're having an impromptu one-wheel meeting, so 1 minute.
All right, get it now, easy.
Oh, that's
That cracked.
You're just a natural.
You ever see that movie where Scarface, where he comes out? Verbally greet my minuscule amigo with the giant gun, and then he just.
All right. Ready?
You're kidding me. Look at this thing.
It's crook nollie flippable.
It's not even straight.
Oh!
That looks pretty.
Hey! Whatever company built this, congratulations guys, you built a death trap.
Wow.
Whoa.
This right here is the newest Amazon ramp. This is the NKX skate ramp single plus rail. It was $119.95.
I feel like if you're good enough to skate this, you're too good to buy this.
Hey, maximum weight is 180 pounds. They are perfect for beginners looking to improve their stunt and riding skills with scooters, skateboards, and roller skates. There's a wide range of different skate ramps to choose from. You can mount them to the ground, and they're easy to carry along. And there's a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. So Chris is gonna go do his trick, and then we're gonna go into the first review.
Well,
That is not good.
I gotta run that one back. Hold on.
Flip that.
Here, we can step right here for you. Oh, all right. There's only 2 written reviews. There's 6 global ratings for a 3.6 out of 5 stars, but the very first review is from Wendy, 1 star. This absolutely sucks.
Dang,
You can't even ride this thing. The ramp is way too small. You could get hurt so easily on this thing, bro. I can't even go up the ramp because my scooter gets stuck halfway, LOL. And 1 person found that helpful.
You know what? I'll say something.
Go ahead.
If Wendy's saying it sucks, coming from a restaurant, that sucks.
Whoa!
Everyone's capping.
You're biased because you go and eat vegan food at every freaking fast food place you go to. I think if someone's been skating for like 15 years and it takes them 3 tries to even hit this rail, it's too hard for beginners.
Before I went vegan, BK all day.
BK, have it your way. Fadangle?
It's good.
Verified purchase, 1 star, not made well. Cracked on the first day, so had to send back for a refund. So we'll see if these reviews are correct, and maybe at the end of the video, we'll write a review of our own. Dude, it chipped your board. It chipped someone's board. Look, this was in the crack.
Maybe we need a crack fillet.
Fill it with wax?
You see this thing in the picture and you say, I know in my soul that it's gonna suck. But then I feel sorry for the people that see it and think it's gonna be sick, because it's never gonna be sick. None of these ramps are ever gonna be
I would have
sick.
thought it was.
But to be fair, $190 is pretty decent.
We have 90?
12-year-old me would have thought this was sick.
You're at a residential area, no street spots. You have this, it's pretty sick. When you're in the Braille house, when you have every sick obstacle, this doesn't really, compare.
The company is NKX Sports, and I clicked on their Amazon. They actually are like a skate brand, and they sell surf skates and regular boards.
Wait.
Whoa, who's that?
Is that our friend Pat?
But they make longboards. Look,
this photo. Look, anklet with anklet.
No, bro.
shredding.
Whoa! What is
Whoa! Yo!
89 for that one?
All right.
Whoa!
I gotta make a couple purchases real
You
quick.
just bought the worst one.
That looks pretty good. I think they're the new leading authority. Yeah, hell yeah.
I want to say something real quick. The improvement that could be done is if they could raise it up so it could be an actual bump to rail. The flatness is cool for a while.
I gotta like lift up on it or something.
Wax it.
I'm trying to make it across.
This might have been said already, but I'm just judging the design here. I feel like if they would have made this connecting piece, if this would have been the female side, it would have been a lot better because you have this unflush like connection right here. So if this piece would have went into this piece, it would have been smoother. But now every time you're clipping this, and that's really sketchy, even for experienced riders. So for somebody that's just learning, that's probably not the best design, but I don't know, I just work here.
All right, what are you gonna try?
I don't know. I guess we should explore every single way you can skate
50
this.
that way? What you got on this, Ooze? Man, what you want? I got anything.
Whoa!
Wendy was right all along.
You see,
I'm just letting you know, I'm like 3'3" and weigh like 160, and I did that.
It said 180.
I'm sorry.
And then
look
you go
at this.
bash it. You see that?
Let me hit the 50 fast.
You like how I said that's smart?
Hey, he's a teenager now. He's safe.
Oh, you can change it. You can put it on the side.
Oh, you can put it sideways? It looks good. Oh.
Oh! Hey, you know what you need to do, Gabriel Cruz? I nominate you to slam hard on this thing. Roll up on the one wheel, roll across and off.
Oh.
You got it. I seen you do it.
You did. Where?
Really impressive.
What, the kicker?
Yeah. Right here, right here.
Why is the kicker impressive, Mom?
Because look, usually this would stop you, but everyone's rolling past it. You know what I mean? I just want to see how that works.
These guys are visionary.
Oh, beautiful. Look, walk the rail.
Oh!
Andy Anderson, walk the rail.
You can make this lower. Look, you can make this lower. It might work. That is sketchy.
That's good.
Hey, it worked though.
He changed the ram's trajectory.
What's up, Gabe? That was almost
I got
ghetto
an
bird
idea.
from board.
I got an idea that might work.
That
I just go over the whole thing.
It might seem like I'm being a little too harsh on this thing, but I think the reason is because if we've been skating like our whole lives and are having a hard time with it, people that are just learning to skate are probably gonna have a hard time.
But imagine how hard of a time you've had on previous Amazon ramps.
They're pretty comparable.
Wow!
Oh, wait.
Is not in the game, but this. All right, I've been observing, and I see every time someone ollies into it, it flies back. Why don't we put it at a marker and we all ollie in, and then whoever can get it the furthest wins.
Oh, okay.
You down?
Yeah.
What do you think, JD?
That was pretty good. Wow! Oh!
Hey, yo, look at this. It's baby going.
Yeah! Oh, that was pretty good. I would take your first score.
My car keys.
Not quite. What's your guess, Rick?
All right, what I've been watching and learning from them and from JD's one, I think you want to have your wheels right at the top. 2, I think you want to go as slow as humanly possible. Can I get one bonus one? Uzi's a winner, but I just want to test my theory.
I'll give you one more.
Well, Rick, you did indeed figure it out, but
I lost, but I learned.
You won.
And that's what's important in life.
First try.
I'm having flashbacks. We had a rail like this, and we came across this down rail, and I hooked it and died.
But wait, I'm gonna make it safe.
Look at that.
I would say this is the better option. Let me see, Chris. Show grandma why she should not buy this. Would you be hyped on this?
No.
Yeah?
If I was younger, yeah. Or, well, I'm still young, you know, but.
No, but younger
I
as in
was,
like 7 or 8.
And I wouldn't break it because I'm too light.
The Ram police say 50% safe, 50% bad.
I had so much hope in my mind.
You barely.
It's not going well.
Wow! I screwed
Easy first tee.
I screwed the ramp in.
All I know is that's a big lip right there you gotta go through. Bro, at least be.
But now we know.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's it.
Helicopter!
We could set up a legit like replica with our good objects and make it good. A replica.
What do you mean, make it good? This is amazing. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Did you see how it stopped spinning?
Yeah.
It stopped spinning. Literally, like it was like this.
A terrible product.
Yeah, honestly. Yeah, hey, the kicker is really good though.
You know, the concept is not that bad that you can hook the rail in different spots and the plastic supports the rail, but it's just cheap plastic, cheap aluminium, whatever.
I do think it's one of the better
If you made the
ramps.
ramp out of wood like that, maybe it would chip out though with the rail. But see, like this, you call this a support, bro, and you just bend like that.
Wow. It's now bacon.
Bro.
Uzi, here you go, brother. I
already
have
know
a
what's
task for
coming.
you.
I know. Wait.
I have a task.
Task.
Write your review, brother.
All right, guys.
How many stars out of 5?
First of all, we're gonna give it 3. You know what? This ramp, trying to figure it out, trying to think about how this came into existing, really confused me. So we're just gonna confuse everyone who looks at this because that's what they're getting. All right, so 3 stars. You can't really tell. Is it bad? Is it good? We don't really know. Where do I put the written review? And then we're just gonna. I'll be home. No.
I'll be there.
I'll be there at
Like,
a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna get it back to
work.
work with the rest of the night.
LOL.
Do we end it on the LOL? Yeah. Submit. Wanna play a game? We could show the little bendy stand of it.
Sure.
This is the full review.
I pulled a muscle.
This is the most confusing review possible.
The review has a photo of it and it says, okay, so I'll be there at like a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna get it back to work with the rest of the night, LOL.
Well, what a fantastic adventure. If you bought this product, let me know. Were you satisfied? Were you deeply, deeply hurt and upset? Do you have any more information about this brand? Let us know in the comments. We love to hear it. There are some videos right there. We want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.